What if you could get paid $500 to $2,000 per month helping local businesses improve their online visibility, reviews, and reputation, without needing to be a marketing expert, without spending hours creating audits manually, and without guessing which businesses actually need help? Because right now, millions of local businesses are struggling to stand out online. Many have weak review presence, missing listings, hidden reputation issues, or visibility opportunities they don't even realize exist. And those problems often create a valuable opportunity for people who can help identify and solve them. That's exactly what RevRescue AI was built to do. It helps you instantly uncover visibility and reputation opportunities inside local businesses, then generates the audit, outreach, and action plan needed to start real client conversations. Now, here's what's really interesting. In many cases, these businesses don't even realize why they're struggling. They know something feels off. Maybe calls have slowed down. Maybe bookings aren't where they should be. Maybe competitors seem to be attracting more customers, but they can't pinpoint the cause. And that's often where hidden visibility and reputation issues come into play. Because today, before people buy almost anything, they check Google, Yelp, reviews, trust signals, visibility, reputation, consistency. And sometimes, one small inconsistency online can create hesitation, a rating mismatch, hidden Yelp reviews, weak review activity, missing trust signals, or incomplete business listings. And when customers hesitate, businesses miss opportunities they may never even realize existed. Which means there are businesses everywhere that could benefit from help improving their online visibility, reputation, and trust signals, creating an opportunity for you to step in, provide value, and potentially earn recurring monthly revenue, helping them improve their online presence. Now here's where things get really interesting. Most business owners have absolutely no idea this is happening, which means opportunities are hiding everywhere. And that's exactly why we built the first AI-powered trust leak detection platform designed to uncover hidden reputation problems businesses don't even realize are costing them customers. But this is not another generic lead tool, and it's definitely not another bloated local SEO dashboard. Because RevRescue AI doesn't just hand you random business data and tell you, good luck. Instead, it reveals where their trust is leaking, where their visibility is weak, where their hidden review problems exist, where their conversions are collapsing, where their revenue opportunities are hiding, all automatically. Meaning instead of cold pitching random businesses blindly, you can now approach businesses with real proof, real insights, real business impact. And when a business owner sees the problem, the conversation changes instantly. Because now you're no longer another marketer begging for attention. You become the person showing them what's silently costing them customers every single day. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works live, including how RevRescue AI uncovers hidden trust leaks, how it identifies businesses with massive opportunity, how users are turning these insights into recurring monthly income, and why this may become one of the biggest local marketing opportunities of the AI era. And if you're anything like me, you're probably skeptical. Honestly, you should be, because the internet is full of overhyped software promises. Which is exactly why, instead of just telling you how powerful RevRescue AI is, I'm going to show you live. And later in this presentation, I'll even explain how I'm removing virtually all risk for you to get started today. Before I show you the software, let me show you why people are getting excited about opportunities like this. Because businesses already pay for services that help improve reviews, online visibility, reputation, trust signals, local search presence. And you don't need hundreds of clients. In fact, just 3 clients paying $750 per month, that's $2,250 per month recurring. 5 clients paying $1,000 per month, that's $5,000 per month recurring. 10 clients paying $1,500 per month, that's $15,000 per month recurring. And the reason RevRescue AI is so exciting is because it helps identify businesses that may already benefit from these types of services. Most lead tools simply give you names and contact information. RevRescue AI helps uncover opportunities, generate the audit, create the outreach, and gives you a complete client opportunity system powered by AI. Think about this. Almost every local business depends on online trust. Restaurants, dentists, contractors, law firms, gyms, hotels, salons, and most have never done a serious reputation analysis, meaning opportunities are hiding in plain sight right now in almost every city. You simply enter a city, a niche, and RevRescue AI starts uncovering businesses with hidden Yelp review problems, weak trust signals, low visibility, poor review activity, hidden conversion leaks. This isn't theory. These opportunities already exist right now. Imagine sitting on a Zoom call with a local business owner. You share your screen and you show them this. Google rating 4.9, Yelp rating 2.6, 73 hidden Yelp reviews found, visibility score 41 over 100, aesthetic revenue leak $8,400 per month. Now imagine the silence, because for the first time, they realize customers may have been slipping away for months without them understanding why. That instantly becomes a completely different conversation than need marketing, because now you're showing real proof, real insights, real business impact, real opportunity. And that's why RevRescue AI changes prospecting completely. Now here's the best part. You do not need SEO skills, agency experience, complicated training, coding, paid ads. RevRescue AI does the heavy lifting for you. You simply enter a city, choose a niche, hit search, and the AI starts uncovering opportunities automatically. Now let me show you exactly how this works, live. And the reason I want to show you this is because once you see how simple this actually is, you'll realize why this changes local prospecting completely. Because RevRescue AI works in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Discover businesses with visibility and reputation opportunities. RevRescue AI scans Google and Yelp simultaneously to uncover businesses quietly losing customers because of inconsistent ratings. The system instantly reveals rating gaps, weak review presence, hidden Yelp reviews, poor trust signals, competitor reputation advantages, lead scores, revenue leak estimates. Meaning, instead of guessing who needs help, you instantly discover businesses already showing signs of lost customers. Step 2. Identify high-impact visibility opportunities. Once a reputation gap is found, RevRescue AI calculates the estimated financial impact automatically. It shows monthly revenue leak, conversion loss percentage, annual business impact, hidden review filters, and key warning signals affecting trust. Now you're not just contacting a prospect, you're showing them exactly where money may be leaking. Step 3. Send an AI reputation audit. Next, RevRescue AI turns the data into a professional audit presentation. With one click, you can generate AI-powered audit reports, create personalized audit landing pages, show competitor comparison insights, reveal hidden review discoveries, and export beautiful PDF reports. Instead of pitching blindly, you present hard evidence backed by real data. Step 4. Close the client. Finally, RevRescue AI helps turn those discoveries into real client opportunities. The system gives you AI-written personalized outreach emails, automated follow-up sequences, built-in lead management, gap fix plans, and AI-generated recovery strategies. Which means you're not just pointing out a problem. RevRescue also helps you solve it using its state-of-the-art AI. Now imagine doing this in your city, nearby cities, different niches, different industries. The opportunities become almost endless. Businesses already know reviews matter. What they don't know is where trust is leaking. And that's why RevRescue AI becomes incredibly valuable. Most lead tools simply give you a name, an email, a phone number. RevRescue AI is different because it gives you the problem, the proof, the insight, the opportunity, the solution. Meaning you're no longer another marketer guessing. You become the person uncovering hidden business problems. And that changes the conversation completely. Now let's talk about why this becomes such a powerful opportunity. Because businesses pay very well for reputation management, review optimization, local visibility improvement, trust recovery, review growth, Google business optimization, ongoing reputation monitoring. And the beautiful part? You don't need hundreds of clients. Even a few clients can quickly create meaningful recurring income. Now imagine becoming the person businesses rely on to fix the exact trust problems silently costing them customers every single day. That's where this becomes even more exciting, because this isn't just another software, it's a positioning advantage. And businesses are already investing heavily into reputation recovery because they know reviews directly impact calls, bookings, conversions, customer trust, revenue. For example, a dental clinic in Dallas discovered 61 hidden Yelp reviews, creating a massive trust mismatch between Google and Yelp. A local contractor increased inbound calls after uncovering weak review consistency and improving visibility signals across their listings. Another business discovered they were potentially losing thousands every month simply because customers were seeing outdated reputation signals before booking. And once businesses see the data visually, the value becomes obvious. And to make this even easier, today you're not just getting RevRescue AI, you're also getting over $9,485 in bonuses, including outreach frameworks, DFY audit templates, pricing calculators, proposal templates, closing scripts, onboarding systems. Everything is designed to help you find opportunities faster, start conversations easier, close clients quicker, build recurring income faster. Now here's the important part. The biggest opportunities always exist before everyone else catches on. And right now, AI-powered reputation analysis is still incredibly early. Most local businesses have no idea tools like this even exist yet, which means early adopters have a massive advantage right now. Because once local markets become saturated with this kind of analysis, the novelty disappears, the positioning weakens, and the opportunity becomes far more competitive. That's why this launch pricing is temporary. Because once launch ends, pricing increases, bonuses disappear, bonus mentorships disappears. So if you want to position yourself early while this opportunity is still fresh, now is the time. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm naturally skeptical. And honestly, you probably are too. Especially today when everybody online claims their software is AI-powered, which is exactly why I wanted to remove as much risk as possible. If for any reason within 30 days you decide RevRescue AI is not for you, maybe you don't like the interface, maybe you decide local marketing isn't your thing, maybe you just change your mind, let us know, and we'll refund you 100% of your investment. No stress, no complicated hoops, no nonsense. But to make this a risk for you not to try, if you genuinely use the platform, work with the training, apply what we teach, and still get 0 results, I'll personally double your money back. That's how strongly I believe RevRescue AI gives people one of the biggest unfair advantages in the local business space right now. Right now, businesses everywhere are silently leaking trust, losing calls, losing bookings, losing customers, losing revenue, and most never even realize it's happening. But now, you have the ability to uncover those hidden opportunities almost instantly. And once you start seeing these trust leaks, you'll begin noticing opportunities everywhere. The only real question is, will you become the person helping businesses solve these hidden problems? Or will someone else in your market get there first? Because 6 months from now, these businesses will still need help. the opportunity will still exist. The only difference is who takes advantage of it. So go below this video now, click the button and get instant access to RevRescue AI today, and start uncovering hidden trust leak opportunities in your market within minutes. Again, my name is Steve, and on behalf of myself and my entire RevRescue AI team, I'm incredibly excited to welcome you inside.